Hello everybody, my name is Elad. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the default tags in the Terraform AWS provider. So let's go. Okay, I have my Visual Studio Code open. I've created a very simple AWS provider block in Terraform. Now let's add the default tags and then we'll discuss how we can use them later on. Okay, so I will go to my AWS provider and beneath my region here, I'm gonna add default tags. And the Hashicorp extension already know what I wanna do. I wanna add the default tags to my provider. Now I'm gonna add another argument and I'll open the tags block or sub block. Now we can add any tags that we might want. For example, I'm gonna do application Elad's Cloud and I am the owner. So, yep. And it was indeed created by Terraform. And I'm gonna hit save. Okay, now that we have our base AWS provider, let's add some resources to this file. For example, I'll add VPC. So let's do AWS VPC. I will call it Elad's VPC. And as we know in Terraform, the only required parameter in the VPC block is decider. Everything else is optional. So let's do, for example, something really basic, and I'll close it. And then we can add some more tags for the VPC. For example, I will call it Elad VPC and I would say it's a private VPC. Now this VPC will inherit the default tags that we've added to the AWS provider in addition to the specific tags that we've added to this VPC. Now the default tags option will work on any AWS resource that we deploy under this AWS provider besides the auto-scaling groups. In the auto-scaling groups, the Hashicorp recommends to create a local variable for the tags and then use it. Basically, like we used to do in previous versions of the AWS provider. What we can actually do with default tags in our provider. For example, I can create two providers with two aliases and then give them different tags. For example, for different environments. Or I can create an IAM policy that uses this tag specifically, thus not exposing an entire service, but only a resource with a specific tag. Well, these are just two examples. I can think of a lot of other usage examples to use default tags, of course, monitoring and so on. Of course, the default tags will work either if you work on workspaces or with modules architecture. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.